everybody, it's Liliana Rowena, and today I'm going to be sharing February lifestyle Lolita tips. I've actually really been enjoying making this series of videos, so I may continue making one each month for this year. After 1 year, I don't really know if I will continue that because I think I'll kind of start repeating myself, but I've been having a ton of fun with these different ideas, and I've also been kind of planning my videos out ahead of time, and I'd love more feedback with that. I have been using notes more because I've been kind of putting more thought into these things. Alrighty, so some February lifestyle Lolita tips. Number 1, which you can kind of review the last video, is to plan a virtual Valentine's meet with your Lolita friends. It's been a hard year plus some, and kind of that, I feel like February is often a great time of the year to like feel like love and connection with all sorts of different people in your life, and getting to be really reconnected with your comm, I think, will be a nice feeling for a lot of people if they have a comm. If you don't have a comm, you can try to look around to see if you can find a virtual event. I'm so sad I missed it because I didn't know about it until after it happened, but there was a virtual comm last weekend. You can make red and pink cords, or also chocolate. I kind of have like a boxed chocolates theme going on today that I'm really enjoying. I have red, browns, and pinks. Treat yourselves to roses in your favorite color, if they exist. Some people's favorite colors probably don't have roses. If your favorite color is blue, you're probably gonna have to get yourself some fake roses. I don't think real blue roses exist, but I really like pink roses. I got some pink flowers for the dining room table in my house. You can make chocolate drinks and buy the discount chocolate when it goes on sale. Wait till February 15th and just go ham. Because I feel like you can still have like Valentine's theming. Like, it's like halfway through the month. I want a full month of pink and chocolate, thank you very much. Call an older relative you haven't heard from in a while. Like, I feel like Valentine's Day, you can celebrate it with more than just your significant other. That is definitely the focus of it, but when you're thinking of like love and connection, your older relatives may have needed to be more isolated than some other people have, so go give them a call. Let them know you're thinking about them, and it's really easy to kind of lose touch, especially with older relatives, because they don't always know how to contact us. So if you have any older relatives you're on good terms with, give them a call, give them a ring. They will definitely appreciate it. You can treat yourself to one of those novelty stuffed animals they sell this time of year. I've heard a lot of advice that you can get good sweet Lolita like off-brand or like cutesy decorations in the spring, but I also find that February, if you're somebody who really likes candies, chocolates, or like those hearts and bears, February is a great time. Go check the novelty section of your like pharmacy, just look around, you'll probably find some cute things that you'll be interested in, and just have new stuffy. I guess in the same vein, enjoy all of the sweet chocolate themed things that are around and kind of take advantage of that. Chocolate's a really common motif in Lolita fashion, and this is one of the few times a year you can find chocolate themed items and accessories just around and just have them. You can challenge yourself to experiment with your cords and more to kind of match your themes. Like this cord doesn't actually have any red in the print, but I think red matches with the themes within it pretty well, and I can kind of tie it all together with that. Kind of tried to do that. You can also theme it around just stuff that you really like to do. Like, for me, I've never seen like an ice skating cord. No, I've seen like people ice skating. I don't think there's a lot of prints of that though. Or if you have a hamster dress and you love hamsters, make a hamster cord. I was thinking about that because I saw a Taobao hamster bag on Lace Market. I have nothing it would match, but it's really cute. And you can plan a night just for yourself, like a little self-care night, because you're kind of looking around, enjoying everything going on in the world at the moment, and just kind of turn some of that back in on yourself. And if you are in a place where you're able to safely do so, or you can do so virtually, try to volunteer this month or donate to your local food shelf. Just try to spread the love to your friends, your family, your partner, and your local community. Thank you guys so much for watching. Those are my February lifestyle Lolita tips. I hope you all Have a lovely day. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena, out.